This CAD designer on Fiverr sells basic 3D models for $100. In today's video, guys, we're gonna review this profile together, dive in, and see how they're crushing it on Fiverr. You're gonna wanna stick around to the end of this video. He's gonna reveal his Fiverr secret, and we're even gonna ask ChatGPT to optimize the gig title. For this Fiverr seller's account overview, we can see his gig title with some good keywords. I will 3D CAD product design, 3D drawing, and 3D model for his SEO optimized title. He's a top rated seller, guys. 275 reviews, average of 5-star rating. Really good. His gigs packages range from $100 for the basic model, and it goes all the way up to $300 if you want a more custom project. His average response time is very fast, 1 hour. Next, let's look at the about this gigs section. He does a great job of emphasizing to contact them before placing an order so that they can get on the same page and accurately deliver your project. In this about little me section, he describes his past experience to build that credibility. Mechanical engineer with electromechanical. He specs out the design software he uses, SolidWorks, again, just to build that trust and credibility. 4+ years of experience in 3D modeling, good keywords, 3D designing, 3D printing, etc. Services, we provide a nice itemized breakdown in detail using, again, great search engine optimized keywords, 3D modeling, 3D animation, 3D renderings. So he breaks it all down, shoves in a ton of keywords to get that SEO to rank. This first project in his portfolio I was really impressed with. It's an electronics project of a PlayStation controller concept. Really shows the detailed rendering, very realistic, complex shape and curves to show that design skill and CAD skills. So again, an electronics industry related item of a controller, complex surfaces. Showing off a bit of variety here. He's got an engineering assembly drawing with some call outs here of a bicycle idea. This project was for a patent drawing. So again, showing his service of being able to take your idea to reality and create a nice engineering drawing of that idea. Let's take a look at his reviews overview. So he's got 275 total for this gig, average rating of 5 stars. Look here, he's got perfect 5-star rating on 267 of those, which is very impressive. He's got perfect rating on communication. Start. We've got a sample customer review here from the US. Again, emphasis on perfect communication, even with significant time zone difference. Delivered the design early, made the necessary changes, and very nice detailed renders of this electronics assembly here. Let's compare the packages and tiers he offers. So again, $100 for the basic mechanical CAD project. That includes 3D modeling, 3 renders, 2 revisions. He's got great keywords of 3D mechanical CAD product in there. 175 for the mid-tier. This is more of a electronic 3D CAD file with 3D drawings and renders. And then $300 for the custom premium. You have to inbox your idea first for him to review it. So for mid-tier, just another 2 add-on 3D renders, 2 more revisions, last tier unlimited revisions, and 9 3D renders. He's got great upsells in here. Cut down an extra day for $100. That's pretty good. So very keyword optimized in his packages. Now, when asking ChatGPT to optimize, when I copied and pasted this seller's gig title, it gave me the following for including some better keywords for SEO: professional 3D CAD designer, product design, 3D drawing, 3D modeling services with pipelines in between. So another take on a great keyword optimized gig title that could be similar to this one. So when asking this Fiverr seller what their secret to success is, they said to check your gig stats daily and update its search engine optimization accordingly. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel for future content. Comment below what Fiverr seller goals you have yourself. In the description, you're gonna find a link to a free freelancing guide and career tips, so take advantage of that. And if you want a complete course on advancing your career or freelancing earnings, go to howitsdesigned.com/courses. I offer an entire course. I'll put the link to that in the description as well.